Hello, very fast. Like I'm flying. Feel like I'm flying. Yeah. So on our way back to now, on our way from the community. This same time last year, the entire the river itself and even the adjoining land on the other side were completely inundated by the river, by the swollen river. Today, this is almost 2 weeks ahead of the time it occurred last year. And, well, we're still enjoying a plain sight. We don't know what will happen between now and the end of September, believing that this year's uh, cycle is a bit delayed. However, the inhabitants of the village confess that this is the very first time they're experiencing this class of flood. So, but we don't know. However, from limits, the report we got this year is that the downfall this year will be higher than that of last year, which means the dam in Cameroon, Lagdo Dam, will eventually be opened when the same water body begins to cause damage for them over there. A neighboring dam called Kiwi Dam will also eventually be opened to allow more water to flow out so that the same water body does not cause havoc in the Kiwi community. So, what will be our fate by this same time next month? We don't know. But eventually, we'll get to see. Thank you all. I'm Amos, and this is Bandawa of Local Government, Taraba, Nigeria. Thank you.